Hello everyone, I'm Layman with Milgard Windows and Doors, and welcome to the latest edition of Know Your Window. Today, we're talking about our popular V400 series of vinyl windows and doors. Our V400 products are stylish, durable, and energy efficient. They're also ideal for either new construction or replacement projects. Since our founding more than 60 years ago, Milgard has been known for manufacturing aesthetically pleasing products that complement any home's architectural style or interior design. And the V400 is a perfect example of that legacy. Handcrafted with care, the V400 windows and doors will improve any home's curb appeal. Plus, Milgard offers numerous aesthetic options on the V400, including various grid designs and decorative glass. And of course, we have multiple color options on the V400. Our exterior color selections on our windows are black, bronze, classic brown, espresso, silver, white, adobe, and tan. While the interior options are black, adobe, tan, and white. The V400's aesthetic features don't stop there. All V400 products boast equal sightlines and a wide frame, giving your windows a traditional look that's sure to impress your neighbors and enhance your home's resale value. Taken together, these aesthetic attributes are sure to enliven your space on the inside and give your home's exterior that wow factor you've been looking for. Now, when it comes to performance, you'll be blown away by the V400's signature vinyl formula. The vinyl compound used in its formulation is precisely controlled, allowing it to withstand harsh weather conditions. Speaking of the weather, we're proud to note that the V400 is extremely energy efficient. Its warm edge spacer system, coupled with options for gas between the panes and low E glass coatings, are sure to keep your home comfortable in any season. The V400's energy efficient features reduce thermal transfer between the interior and exterior, enabling you to have greater control over the comfort level in your home and helping you keep your energy costs down. When it comes to security on the V400, Milgard offers a patented Smart Touch lock. The Smart Touch lock is easy to operate. With one hand, you can lift the locking mechanism to unlock and open or close and lock the window. The Smart Touch also exceeds all California forced entry requirements, which are among the most rigorous in the nation. A comprehensive series of windows and doors, the V400 comes in a number of configurations. Whether you need a horizontal slider, single hung, double hung, casement, awning, picture, bay, bow, or architecturally designed window, the V400 has you covered. When it comes to patio doors, the V400 is available in a sliding patio door. It's also an option as a swinging French door in California, Nevada, and Arizona. Available in 2, 3, and 4 panel configurations, the V400 sliding patio door slides with ease and perfectly complements the windows in the series. The sliding door will not absorb moisture and does not require painting. Additionally, the V400 sliding patio door is available with blinds between the glass. If you're looking to upgrade the handle on your patio door, Milgard offers a decorative interior handle that's available in oil rubbed bronze, brushed chrome, or satin nickel. And the Smart Touch bolt is an optional secondary lock on the V400 sliding patio door. The V400 French swinging door is a marvel of design that provides security and aesthetic value. Strong, durable, and available with multiple options, this V400 French door is sure to enhance your home's look. If you're interested in a V400 window or door for your next renovation or build, please contact your local Milgard sales representative or authorized Milgard dealer. We hope you found this video helpful and informative, and until next time, I'll see you on the other side of the glass.